Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Did you try the question that we were doing, Mudabbir? There was some mistake when we did the last time. Remember the question? Do you have the question? Those who have joined, just go through that question. 6x square plus x minus 1 wala question. Just go through it and see what mistake we were doing. We'll be doing it again over here. Yusuf, switch on your camera. Muazzam, switch on your camera. Okay, let us start with the question. I think this was the question. I gave you all to factorize and the answers were wrong. So that is why we were getting wrong answer. Okay. So I'm just writing this question. This was divide and express the result in rational expression in lowest form. Question was second question. Second part was there. Question number 3, second part. I gave you rest of the questions were homework. Huh? Question number 2 was your homework. 6x square plus x minus 1 divided by means upon 2x square minus 7x minus 15 divided by 4x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by 4x square minus 9. Okay, so it's the factorization part. There was some mistake, so that's why we were doing it wrongly. If you factorize this, how will we factorize? I'm solving this whole question. From next question you will be doing it. Okay, there what was a mistake, just check it. 6x square is 3 into 2, so plus 3x minus 2x minus 1, which is equal to 3x common and 2x plus 1 and minus 1 and 2x plus 1. So after factorization, you get 3x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Then factorization of 2x square minus 7x minus 15 is equal to 15 twos are 30. 30. So 6, what is it? 10 threes are 30. 10 and 3 minus 7. So 2x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 15. So take out 2x common, you get x minus 5 and plus 1, oh, plus 3, x minus 5. So you get 2x plus 3 into x minus 5. Okay, and the next one is 4x square plus 4x plus 1. This is even if you don't split, this is 2x plus 1 ka whole square. It is on the formula of 2x plus 1 ka whole square, or you can split and find out. You will see that you'll get the same answer. And the last one is 4x square minus 9 is equal to 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Now putting the values 6x square plus, so this is the answer. We'll write 3x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 upon the denominator is this 2x plus 3 into x minus 5. I'm putting a multiplication sign, so I'll do a reciprocal over here. I'll write the numerator as this, so which is 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1 by whole square. So cancel this one, 2x plus 1 and 1 power goes what is left in the answer is 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 5 into 2x plus 1. This is the correct answer. When we multiply, now we'll multiply. When we multiply, we get this as 3x minus 1, 2x minus 3x minus 5, 2x plus 1. This is the correct answer. When we multiply, you will get 6x square minus 11x plus 3 divided by 2x square minus 9x and minus 5. So this is the final answer. Last time there was some mistake in the factorization part, so that is why we were not getting the correct answer. So I have done here all the steps are correct. You can copy down or you can note down the mistake, whatever mistake you have found, you can correct it. Okay. Uzair, switch on your camera. Now all of you have joined. This was the question that we were doing in the last class and we were getting wrong answer. So this I did it over here once again. Just check the factorization. Factorization mein plus minus ka there was something missing. So that's why we were getting wrong answer. Just put it over here and this is the correct answer. Okay. So now we are going to do the next question. Now do this question. This is question number 2, third part. X square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 upon x square minus 9. And all of you do this question and give me the answer. X square minus x minus 6 upon... sorry, just a moment. Just a moment. Don't write it. Second part is... This is x square plus x plus 1 upon x square minus 9. This is third question we are doing. If you have your notes, you can check from there also. X cube minus 1 upon x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay. So first factorize x square plus x plus 1. Can you factorize it? You cannot factorize because you cannot split also in the middle term. So this will remain as it is. Factorize x square minus 9, then x cube minus 1, and then x square minus 4x plus 3. So what is factorization of x square minus 9, Ahmed? X square minus 9, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, I need to do it.
It is a formula. Just apply the formula.
Okay, x square minus 3 square.
Yeah.
So it's equals x in minus 3 into x plus 3.
So this is the answer for x square minus 9. X cube minus 1. Mudabbir, how will you factorize x cube minus 1? This is x cube minus 1 cube. So a cube minus b cube formula. What is it? A cube minus b cube is?
Is equal to a plus b.
No, minus is there. So x minus. Give me the answer for this. I don't want the formula. Okay. So x minus 1 then?
X square minus x plus
here,
x.
So here it will be all plus. You have to remember that way now. X cube minus 1. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, which is 1.
Plus 1.
Now split it. X square minus 4x plus 3. Muazzam, how will you split it? X square minus 4x plus 3. This is 3 na? 3 into 1.
Ma'am, minus 4x plus x.
Minus 4x plus x is what? Minus 3x, which is not there in the middle. 3 you have to factorize. So it should be, anyone else can try? Farhana? How will you split 3?
Ma'am, minus 3x minus x.
Correct. Minus 3x minus x makes it. So minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So you're getting plus 3. So take out x common, x minus 3 minus 1 common and x minus 3. Opposite sign. So answer over here is x minus 1 into x minus 3. Now putting the values, this is same x square plus x plus 1 upon x plus 3x minus 3 divided by, I'm writing divided only over here. So x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 3. Now, divided sign, so I have to do the reciprocal of the second term. So I'll do the reciprocal and put a multiplication sign. So put multiplication sign over here, x minus 3, multiply, do reciprocal, numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. And now you can cancel things. What can we cancel over here? What can we cancel?
We can cancel x square plus x plus 1,
This and this.
x minus 1 and x plus 3.
X minus 1, x minus
X minus 3.
minus 3, x minus 3. Answer is 1 upon x minus 3. So this is the answer.
Ma'am, x plus 3.
Oh, x plus 3, yes. X minus 3 to cancel ho gaya. So you are left with x plus 3. Okay. So this is third question. Now same way, try fourth question. Fifth and sixth, I'll give you as homework. Then we'll do some questions from terminal exercise. Terminal exercise questions that you have to complete. There is a weekend now. So just go through all the questions. If you have any difficulty, come to me, ask me in the class also or in Google Classroom. Anywhere you can ask the questions if you're facing any difficulty in solving questions of terminal exercise. But you need to do all the questions. So many questions are there. So complete terminal exercise. Next week, we'll start with a new chapter in maths. So, okay, I'm erasing this question number 3, writing question number 4. Start doing question number 4. X square plus 2x minus 24. Minus 12 divided by okay, factorize x square plus 2x minus 24 first. What is the answer? What pair you'll get? Try minus 24 you should get in the end. And middle में addition करने से you should have plus sign. That means एक plus and one minus should be there. Then only you can get over here minus 24.
Ma'am, plus 6x minus 4x.
Yes, 6 4s are 24. So plus 6 because plus is over here. So plus 6x minus 4x minus 24. X take out common, x plus 6. And here I'll take out minus 4 common. So x plus 6. Answer is x minus 4 into x plus 6. Next is x square minus x minus 12. Break this. What combination? Sakleen, try. Sakleen, switch on your camera. Why your camera is off today?
Minus 3x plus 2x.
Minus 3 and plus 4, correct. X square minus 3x plus 4x minus 12. So minus 3 into plus 4 is minus 12. Take out x common, first two terms. So x minus 3 and plus 4 common, again x minus 3. So answer is x plus 4 and x minus 3. Next, x square minus x minus 6. Break this now. How will you break this? X square minus x minus 6.
Ma'am,
minus
3 minus
3x
2.
plus 2.
3 and 2. Yeah, but sign, what is the sign? Minus 3x and plus 2. So x minus 3 plus 2 x minus 3. Answer is x plus 2 and x minus 3. And the last one, though everyone knows, it is x square minus is x plus 3 and x minus 3. Now putting all the values, first one is this, x minus 4, x plus 6 upon is next one, x plus 4, x minus 3 divided by x plus 2, x minus 3 and upon x plus 3, x minus 3 equal to, put multiplication sign. You cannot cancel here. You need to put multiplication sign. So put multiplication sign, x plus 3 and do the reciprocal. After putting multiplication sign, you have to do the reciprocal of the divisor. That is the rule we use in this thing. Now what will we cancel? ये वाला से तो ऐसे ही कर दो cancel. Is it x minus 3? यहीं पे हमको x minus 3 ही आया है. Yes, x minus 3. Oh, this one is wrong. Just check. This is in the middle. You have minus, so it should be minus. Minus 3 और plus 4 तो plus हो जाता है ना. So plus होगा यहाँ पे. Correct over here. Huh? See, when I'm writing, please check the steps on your side also. तो ये तो x plus 3 हो गया और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा minus 4. x minus 4, x plus 3. So यहाँ पे I have written wrongly. ये second वाला है. This one. X minus 4, x plus 3. So here, see, I got a hint from here that x plus 3 tha, yahan x minus 3 tha. So that means some mistake was there. So that is why it was not getting cancelled. So answer is x plus 6 upon x plus 2. Those who have got the notes, plus just please check it from the back answer. Is it correct? Fourth part. I think it is correct answer. It is correct. X plus 6 upon x plus 2. Okay, understood the sign mistake. Here it was minus x, so we have to put minus 4x. I wrote minus 3x. So that was a mistake over here. Okay. Now, should I erase this? Everyone has done? No answer, so I think.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So homework I'm writing, just mark this in your sheet. Homework is question 3, 5th part and 6th part. So these two parts, try it on your own. Okay. This is your homework. Everyone note down this. Now we'll start with terminal exercise. Terminal exercise, different type of questions are there. So I'll make you do some questions and you mark those questions in the notebook. Rest of the question you can do at home. So terminal exercise is actually the whole chapter. Mixed questions are there. Okay. So MCQ I'm not doing. Factorize. This is question number, I'm doing factorize. This is question number 5 of terminal exercise, part 1. X raised to 7, y raised to 6, plus x raised to 22, and y raised to 20. Okay. Tell me, how will we do this? Muazzam, how will we do this? Factorize is there. This is simplest factorization.
Ma'am, we can.
Ma'am, you can take out comment.
Yes. Emma, tell me, what will I take out common? What power of x and y?
You can take x raised to 7 common and y raised to 6 common.
So what is there in the bracket? 1 plus x raised to how much? You will have to subtract 22 minus 7.
15.
22 minus 7.
15.
Correct. And y raised to 20 minus
14.
6. Okay. So this is your answer. First part, that much is the answer. You cannot factorize further. So that is your answer. Now second I'm not doing. I'm doing now question number 3rd. Same question, 3rd part. Tick mark the question that we are doing it in the class, so that next time when you do the rest of the question. A12 a raised to 4 b square plus 12 a square. Okay. What will we do first?
Take out common.
Take out common. What will I take out common? Declan?
3a.
What will I take out common? What is common in all the 3?
3a. 3a.
3. I think a square is common. The lower power is 2. You can see. So you can take out a square common. Lower power, the HCF we take out common. Okay. So 3a square if you take out common, 3 to chala gaya, 6 में से 2 गया, a raised to 4. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 3 4s are 12. So 4 हो गया यहाँ पे. 2 is gone out. So a square हुआ and b square हुआ. And plus again 3 4s are 12. A square is gone out. So b raised to 4. Now can you further factorize this bracket?
A plus b the whole square.
Yes, it is a plus b whole square. Very good. You can write it as a ka square plus 2 into a square into b square. No, it is how much? 4 we are getting over here, na? Nay. It is not a plus
Ma'am,
b.
2 into a square. Ma'am, 2 into a square plus 4b square plus 2b
Right.
square.
2b square, correct. It is 2b square because it is 4 over here. So 2b ka square. So it is actually a plus b whole square we are using, but it is a square plus 2b, it is b square. 2b square ka whole square, because b square b4 hai na yahan pe. So it is 2 2s of 4, b4 if you whole square it. It is into 2 into a square into 2b square. So it is 4b square. You are getting 4a square b square. So it is actually, if you factorize it, it is 3a square into a square plus 2b square whole square. So this was 3rd part. Now coming to this one. Question number 5th. 5th part. 3x raised to 4 plus 12y raised to 4. How will we start? Muazzam, 3x raised to 4 plus 12y raised to 4. How can we start?
Ma'am, we can make it 3x. Uh, um,
Observe this. Three and 12. What can you do? Hmm?
Ma'am, we'll remove 3.
You will take out 3, okay? Common 3. What are we left with? What are we left with?
x raised to 4.
Okay. Now we'll further factorize it using whole square formula. You remember I taught you जब a square plus b square होता है तो plus 2ab and minus 2ab. We do it on our own. Okay. So suppose I want to further factorize it. I can make it x square ka square plus y square ka square plus, to make it a whole square formula, I can do 2x square y square. This I added on my own, so I have to subtract it also. Minus 2, it is 2 only, na? 2x square y square.
Ma'am, ma'am, we'll not write 4 y raised to 4.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why I was getting root over here, right? It is 4 na, yahan pe I missed 4. So I'll write 2y. So 4y square is 2y. So here it is again 4. Here it will be 4x square y square and here it will be 4y. That's why I was getting root yahan pe. So next step is this whole 3 term I made because I added yahan pe added 4x square y square and subtracted so that my equation remains same. Okay. So here it is outside the bracket x plus x square plus 2y square ka whole square and minus 4x square y square. Now it can be further factorized. I'll be doing it over here on the top. So this is my, finally I got 3. Is this step clear to you or not? This I got a square plus b square. No formula we have got of a square plus b square. So what I did, I made it into whole square formula by just adding 4x square y square and subtracting 4x square y square. Okay. So that this first 3 terms makes it a whole square and you are left with this thing 2xy ka square. Again, can we factorize it further? Because again, it is a difference of square. Can we factorize it further?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. A square minus b square.
Factorize it.
And a square minus b square.
Yeah. So what is the answer? Ahmad, where are you? Please switch on your camera. What is the answer? A square minus b square. If you apply a square minus b square.
X square plus 2y square plus 2xy
Yes.
into x square plus 2y square minus 2xy.
Yes. So final answer is this. Okay. 3 into x square plus 2y square plus 2xy, x square plus 2y square minus 2xy. So this is your answer. This we did question number 5th. Now question number 7th. Question number 7th is, I'm just doing factorization, alternate questions, x square plus 16x plus 63. Now you can see this is not a perfect square. So you have to split it. Split this 63 ko just factorize and split it. And give me the answer. Ahmad, you will give me the answer. 63, 16 आना चाहिए. All are plus, so ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं है. Break it into to make it 16.
Ma'am, plus 9 plus 7.
Correct. Plus 9 plus 7. So plus 9x plus 7x plus 63. What is the answer? X plus 9 and x plus 7. Write one more step, you will get this answer. Okay, 7th done. 9th, 7x square plus xy minus 6y square. Again, you will break it. How will you break? What number you will break? You will break 6 or you will break 7 or you will break something else.
XY.
Xy you will get in the middle, but which number you are going to factorize means which number ka multiple you will break. Like here you took 63 na, so here what number you will take?
42, ma'am.
Yes, for 42 nahi minus 42, ठीक है? 7 into minus 6. So 7 into 6, 42. 42 को ऐसे break करो, 7 और 6 ही आ रहा है, plus xy you should get, plus 1 answer. So same thing, 7x square plus 7xy minus 6xy and minus 6y square. 7 6 are 42 and 7x and minus 6xy is you are getting plus only. So answer is correct. So 7x, take out x common, x plus y minus 6y common. So here you get x plus y. 7x minus 6y into x plus y. So this is your factorization. 9th. Now 11th is there. Yeah, 11th is also there. X raised to 6 minus 729 y raised to 6. Okay. First of all, 729 को पहले factorize करो. इसका cube root निकालो. How much is 729? Because I have to break it into x cube ka square. Okay. So I should have it cube in the cube form. Anyone? Just give me the prime factorization of 729. What is the prime factorization of 729? Yeah.
First we will cut it with 3, so 243.
3, okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are, and 3 3s are. Okay, then
3 again, ma'am, 381.
again 3.
27. 3, 9, and again.
So how many 3s we are getting? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is actually 3 raised to 6. So I can write like this, 3 cube ka square, 3 2s are 6. You are getting 3 raised to 6, right? Because I wanted to make it in this form. So and y also cube and square. So basically you can write it like this, x cube ka square minus 3 y cube ka square. So you can do a square minus b square first. So if you break a square minus b square,
Ma'am,
yeah, yes.
this 81 we can take it with 9 also, na?
The
9, 9.
reverse also you can take, or this way also you can take. Wait, I'm doing it on the new page. Okay. Question is 11 raised to 6 minus 729 y raised to 6. So either you can write this as x square ka cube. This way also we can do. And this is 3 y. Means I'll write 3 ka square ka cube. Because 3 ka square is 6, you are getting 6. Y ka square also you are getting 6. So you can solve like this. Also you can write it as x square ka cube minus 9y square ka cube. Okay, we can write like this also. Same thing. 3 square is 9. So I wrote 9 because it is getting a little bit confusing over here. So just make it 3 3s are 9 y square ka cube. Now using the formula a cube minus b cube, we have formula a cube minus b cube is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. So यहाँ पे a है x square. So x square minus 9y square first term. Second term is again x square ka square. X square ka square becomes 4. AB. So a is x square, b is 9y square. And b square is again, b square is 9y square ka square. So this is your second bracket. Okay. So what it becomes x square minus 9y square. Simplify the second bracket first. X raised to 4 plus 9 x square y square plus 9 9s are 81 y raised to 4. Now again we can factorize this thing also, because this is a square minus b square. So this can be factorized as x plus 3y into x minus 3y, because it is x square minus 3y ka square. So and this is the answer then. So this will be the answer. Can we solve some more time? I just need to check it once again. Huh? Just check the answer from the back. Is it same?
Ma'am, if it is written 9y square, so do we have to write 3y square?
Where?
3y whole square in the
Yeah,
answer.
3 by whole square is there. Where you can write? Here?
In the last answer, where it is written
3
x
by
plus
whole square नहीं
3y.
होगा. Because it is a plus b, a minus b, na. So how will you get 3 by whole square? You'll not get 3 by whole square. This I think you can further split. I think you can split it into middle term. Just think 81 y raised to 4 is there. 81, can you break it? 9 9s are 81. No, you cannot break that. Any other factorization is there? Okay. -27 -3 नहीं होगा, माइनस तो नहीं होगा, प्लस होगा 3 3।
Ma'am, we
Yeah.
can't take 81 with 9.
I think 81 y raised to 4 we have got. Can anyone check the answer at the back terminal exercise? Is this the answer or some more factorization is done? Just check
There
it.
are 4 brackets.
You can factorize this also. So that's why just think about it. How can we factorize this? First check it. Bracket. Is it correct? X raised to 4 plus 9x square y square is correct plus 81y4. Yeah, that is correct. X plus 3y, x minus 3y is correct. Okay. Can we break it into whole square formula? Okay, we can break this into whole square. Okay, let us try this. So x plus,
We can break it.
yeah, we can break it. You cannot split because I was trying to split it. I think we are not getting the splitting also. So we will have to break it into whole square
1
formula.
o'clock चल रहे हैं.
And we can also split that.
हाँ
You can split. Tell me, how will you split it?
तो लखवाना है.
Tell me, how will you split it?
Plus 2 and minus 3.
नहीं, plus 2 and minus 3 कैसे होगा? 81 है और यहाँ पे 9 है. This one we have trinomial only you can split. You cannot split it over here. I tried it over here. See, you cannot split it. So I'm just trying to make it a whole square formula. ठीक है? So let us make it a whole square. X square अगर ये लेंगे and this is 9y square. Okay. So what will be the middle term? 9 2s are 18. It should be plus 18. And actually you have, I have 9x square y square. ठीक है? So I will have to do, I'll have to make it 18. I'll add 9x square y square. ठीक है? To make it 18 because I want middle term for whole square. I want 18x square y square. So I need to subtract also. I added this on my own. So I'll subtract it on my own. And plus this is 9y square ka square. Understood? Because my middle term should be, if I want to make it 3x square y square ka, this is actually x square plus 9y square ka whole square minus 9x square y square. This is the whole bracket. Let me do it and then I'll explain you. See what I did over here, because it is a trinomial and I checked that whether I can break it into middle term or not. Since it is not broken down into middle term, so I'm breaking it into whole square formula. Now when I break it into whole square formula, I already have two terms, perfect square. So the middle term should be having, what should be the middle term? ये 9y square है और ये x square है. So middle term should be 18x square y square. But I have in the middle term 9x square y square. To make it 18, I'll just add one more 9x square y square and I will subtract because this I added on my own. So I subtracted also. So this whole thing becomes whole square, which is whole square over here. And this is minus 9x square y square. Now further it is a square minus b square formula. So again do it, a square minus b square formula. So we'll do again x minus 3y and then it is x square plus 9y square and this is what 3xy ka whole square. Okay, so plus 3xy and here it is x square plus 9y square minus 3xy. Okay, now check, is this the answer? 4 brackets.
Yes.
So this way, so this was half done. Now you factorize this bracket also. So you got this answer. So this is the answer. Rest of the questions also you try the HCF1 division multiplication. All questions are there in terminal exercise. This is for your practice. So first, I'm not giving you any extra question. Practice questions from terminal exercise only. If you want to have extra questions for practice, I can send you. But first complete the terminal exercise questions. This is very important part of algebra. Next class Monday, I'll be beginning with a new chapter. But if you have any doubts, we can continue with this chapter. I can give you one more class for this. But only if you practice at home, you can come up with the doubts. Otherwise, I'll start with the new chapter.
I have a doubt.
Okay, should I erase this page now? Everyone, should I erase this page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, yes, yes, Akleen, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, in the splitting of middle term which you showed in the previous question,
Yeah. What was the question? Tell me.
ma'am, can you go in the previous page?
Previous page. No, I erased it. No, not there. You tell me what was the doubt. You tell me that. I'll write that question. What is the question number also? If you give, I'll write.
Question number 11.
Was it question number 11? No, it is not splitting of middle term. Question number 9 was splitting of middle term. This one you are asking. This one you are asking. Sakleen?
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, it was like this.
Most of the questions 63 वाला था. Okay, 729 वाला. It was not splitting. It was prime factorization. Okay. तो इसमें क्या किया? You got 3 raised to 6, right? You got 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. When I factorized, I got this, right? Okay. This is clear. How to get this prime factorization? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So I got this, but in the question it was x raised to 6. So x raised to 6 minus 729 y raised to 6. So because it is 6, so I made this also as 6. X raised to 6 minus 3y kar do, pura raised to 6. Because 3 also raised to 6 and y also raised to 6. So together I made it raised to 6. Again, because I was changing it into cube formula, so x square kiya and 3. Remember the exponent rule. When you have power to the power, it gets multiplied. So 3 2s are 6, so it is correct. And here I will make it 3y ka square, because same similar identical background pe I'll do it. And this is cube. So I got x. Now I'll use a cube minus b cube ka formula. A is x square and b is 3y ka whole square. Is it clear? Sakleen?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you continue, then you break it two brackets like this. The bracket was x square minus 3y ka whole square tha. So be careful, 3y ka whole square is 9y square. Okay. And yahan pe tha a square. A square is x raised to 4, because x square ka square is x raised to 4. Second term was a into b. So a is x square and b is 9y square. So 9x square y square you got. And third term was b square. B is how much? B is actually 9y square. Okay. तो 9y square का whole square is 81y raised to 4. ठीक है. अगर confusion होता है तो just write 9y square. If you get confused in writing 3y का square, क्योंकि होगा, so better you write 9y square. ठीक है. 9y square का cube. That way also you can write so that you don't get confused. और उसके बाद इसको break करो and then we did. Okay, is it clear,
Ma'am, we
Sakleen?
can also split this one, no?
This one you cannot split. I tried it, na? We
Ma'am,
cannot split. Okay. Fine.
Yes.
So that's all
Yes,
for
ma'am.
today's class. Okay. Complete your terminal exercise at home and come up with your doubts in the next class, or we'll start with the next topic. Bye.